Rounding numbers. What does it mean, rounding numbers? What do you think? Rounding. Rounding numbers.
Teacher, if the digit is less than you round up. The digit is than 5 round up.
Again, you're talking together. Yes, I mean.
Rounding numbers. I think it's like when you have 540. Is it?
Yes.
Is it near 600 or near 500?
Yes.
It's near 500. Yes.
It's near to 500. Yes.
Yes. This is like 6 is near by 10. 6 is near at 10.
Okay. Now, so if we have some numbers, we want to make it like a, let's say, clear number, we'll round it. How we'll round it? There are some steps here. It's written. You can write them.
Oh, we know, teacher, this.
Okay.
Yes, we know.
So, you know this, but you have studied in Albanian. Now we'll study in English, okay?
Okay.
So, to round a number, firstly, we need to look at the digit in the place to the right. For example, I am writing here a number. Tell some number to me, Sally.
1025.
1000.
Teacher, I joined now because it wasn't letting me in. I wait a lot.
Okay.
Sorry.
1225. I said 25.
Let's say 28. 29. Okay. Okay.
It's near 1000.
Now, look, if I want to round this number to the nearest tens, okay, we have different rounding properties, let me say. If we are rounding to the nearest tens, we'll check the digit in the right here. So what is this digit? It's 9. It's greater than or less than 5?
Greater.
It's greater than 5. If it is greater than 5, I will add a number here and 0. So how it will be? What will be my new number? Let me write here.
1230.
1230. If I'm rounding this number to the nearest tens. Again, I am repeating. I am rounding the numbers to the nearest tens. I will check the ones, the first digit. Okay? And if it is greater than 5, there is a noise here.
Were you born in UK?
Teacher, I'm not making that.
If it is greater than 5, we will round the tens. I mean, we'll add 1 in the tens. If it is less than 5, it will stay same. Yes, for example, I will write some. Are you writing these steps? Write them in your notebook. 1, 2, 3.
Teacher, example, 1339. The make is 1240.
Why 200?
300.
Okay, if
1340.
yes, if we are rounding to the nearest 10, again, this is
40.
It's 40. But if you have, for example, 1333, and I am rounding,
It's 1300.
It's 30.
it's 1330 because this 3 is less than
It's closer to
Less than
30.
5. Less than 5.
yes. This one is greater than 5. This one is less
One
than
is less
5.
than 5.
Okay. So write them now, and then we'll continue to the rounding.
I think
Who was, one more question, who was last year to the math Olympiads, the math competition?
I think me. Probably.
I was.
Teacher, I think I was. I think. I don't know.
You think?
I was not.
I know I was.
Teacher, I don't know about.
Erdit and Amin, I know that Erdit and Amin was.
I was. Teacher, I was.
Yeah, teacher, I was.
Okay.
was.
Okay.
You guys.
I was.
We learned in Kangaroo, I was. I was in the. If I was.
Okay.
was.
Okay. Okay. I will talk with you later. Okay.
I was, teacher.
Okay. Now, if you have written, are you writing?
Oh, yes.
Yes.
I'm writing.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
You're ready. You're writing. Which lesson is this one? This is 4th lesson.
The first lesson, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Erdit,
Write all of them.
Yes.
Steps.
the steps on.
Okay.
Teacher, for the math Olympics, we have
Yes.
2 days to prepare, and we literally didn't learn nothing.
Okay. Okay.
That was so
Have lessons, more extra lessons again from Zoom.
Teacher, I and Edith just learned for 2 days. Edith did 1 question and 2 wrong. And 2 questions.
Teacher, last year was Erdit, Amin, and Neva. Last year. And,
No.
Erdit, Amin, and
Amin. No,
Okay.
Erdit and Neva. Yes, Erdit and Neva.
Ama never fikir
Amin,
dediğine
Amin
döndüm.
was also. I remember Amin.
3rd class, Edith and Neva, and the year that 2019, I and Edith was.
Okay. 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 We'll talk about this later. Okay. Are you ready? Did you finish writing?
Teacher said
Yes.
Arlind and Ayan, it's even more in the school. We have full stress. And she said you need to
And
go
me.
there.
We have stress.
What's for this mean, but you have full stress.
Yes. Okay.
so
Okay. We'll
hard.
talk
Yes.
about competition later. Okay. Now there is an example. Write them in your notebook and don't say the answers. Okay. Don't say the answers. I will ask one by one.
Teacher, can
I will now. You have time to write and to solve them to find the answers. Then I will ask you. Okay. Don't say any answer. Now let me take the attendance. Erdit is here.
Here.
Enis. Enis.
Oh,
Yes.
when is
Hayrullah.
when is Yes, teacher.
Yes, you are here. Are you writing, Enis?
Yes, I will go get my
Haydi.
book.
Haydi. Hayrullah.
Here.
Here. Amar.
Here.
Emir.
Teacher, here.
Emir. Are you here?
Teacher, Emir told me he will join late.
Okay, but he has to, Emir is here now, but he has to answer my question. Arlene Yunusi?
Here, teacher.
Yes, teacher, I'm here.
Okay, Emir. Taranda?
Here, teacher.
Here. Efe?
Here.
Arbor?
Here,
teacher.
Here. Amin?
Here.
Alban Rushiti?
Here.
Tara?
Here.
Here. Sally?
Here.
Fatma?
Here.
Aryan? Are you singing?
Here.
Erva? Ervanur? Hervanur, are you here? I
Sorry.
saw her,
No,
but she was here.
no, she isn't. Did I finish?
Nesibe?
Here.
Here. Nisa?
Here.
Ya yavrum bu
Ali
şey.
Tefik? Aryan Velia?
Here. Here.
Liza?
Here, teacher.
Aryan Jaferi?
Here.
Okay. Now, you were in Aryan Jaferi. So Aryan Jaferi, can you answer the first one? Here,
Okay.
round the given integers to the nearest 10. Nearest 10. So what is the tens here? Which number is the tens here, Aryan?
64
Yes.
near to the 60.
To the 60. It goes to the 60. Okay. Thank you. Then Arbor.
Teacher, it's 457. For the nearest 10, it's 460.
It will be 460. So the nearest 10. Okay, wait a bit. Tens are 5 here. Yes, and I'm checking the number after 5, which is 7. 7 is greater than 5. Then I'm rounding this to 6.
Can I please?
Nesibe?
Can I?
Can I?
Nesibe, I said.
4,000.
Okay.
Nearest to 4,000.
4,000. 4,004.
Teacher, can I?
Round to the 4,000.
Can I?
Zara?
Can I? Teacher, can I? Teacher, sorry.
Can I? Can I?
Zara?
Yes.
How will round this one to the nearest 10? What will be? This number is 211,112. I'm trying to round to the nearest 10.
Teacher, can I?
Teacher, can I?
But guys, I said Zara and I cannot hear her voice.
211,112.
I said Zara Alban.
Sorry, just one second.
I will mute all of you first. Zara, unmute yourself. And the others.
There you go.
Okay, now Zara, yes?
It's 200, sorry.
200,
11,000,
yes?
110.
And 10. Okay, thank you very much, Zara. Now let's see some other examples. Here we have a table. And here we are rounding to the 10, 100, and 1,000.
Do we need to write?
Do the first number and you will listen. At the same time, start to write the table.
Should we write this table?
Yes, yes. Write the title as rounding to the nearest 10, 100, and 1,000. Write this one. Then start to write the table.
Okay. Teacher, do we need with a ruler?
How you want, doesn't matter.
I'm gonna make with a ruler.
But it will take too much time if you
Oh, we need to do this.
I'm gonna make 5, teacher. 1, 2,
Yes.
3.
For now, make it faster then. If you want, after lessons, you can do it. So first one, we have the number 327. When we are rounding to the nearest 10, when you're rounding to the nearest 10, I am checking tens is 2 here, the 20. Then the number after 20, 2 is 7, greater than 5. Then I'm rounding to the 30, 330. When I will check to the nearest 100 is here, it's 300, yes? Then the number before 3, it's 2, less than 5. So I will round this one to 300. I round to the nearest 1,000 because there is no thousands here. In the second one, it's given, we have 192. When we are rounding to the nearest 10, I'm checking 9 tens. Then the number before 9, it's 2, less than 5. So we're rounding this one to 190. But when I will look, I will draw on a number line. I have the number 192. If I am rounding this one to the nearest 10, I will write it with which tenses, I mean, it is between 190 and 200. So here, when we are rounding to the nearest tens, I am checking it's nearer to the 190. But when we are rounding to the nearest hundreds, I will write in this way. It's between 100 and 200, but it is somewhere here. And as you see, it's nearer to the 200 and it will round to the 200. It's Amin, can you help me for the third one?
Yes. Nearest 850.
Nearest 10, it will be 850.
Yes.
Nearest 100?
Nearest 100, 900.
900? Yes. And then it is 1000. Okay. Alban? Alban? We cannot hear you.
Teacher, can I instead of him?
769. Nearest 10 is 770.
And 70, okay. Nearest 100?
Nearest 100 is 800. I mean
800.
100.
Okay, what about nearest 1000? Here, what will be?
Nearest 1000 is 1000.
1000. Okay. And from the girls, Eliza? If we'll round this one to the nearest 10, what it will be?
Hello.
Eliza, are you here?
Teacher, can I?
Eliza is answering. Yes?
She is here.
410.
410, it will be. Nearest 100?
Nearest 100 will be 450.
400.
I finished.
It will be 400. Why? Because look, 100 is this one. Then I'm checking the number before 4, it's 0. It's less than,
Yes.
so it will stay as 400.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
400 is it nearer to the 1000? It's not. So I'm not writing anything here.
Can I, teacher?
Armin Yonozi will do this one.
2050.
250.
Near 10
Yes.
is 260.
260.
Near 100 is 300.
It's 300.
Yes. And near 1000 doesn't have
By the way,
Teacher, can
wait a bit. Nearest 10. This one, I will clean it, Arlene, be careful. We are checking 10 is 5. So this
Yes.
number, this
It is 200.
it's 0. The rounding to the nearest 10 will be again the same one.
Yeah, 250.
250. Then for the hundreds, we are this one.
300.
So it will be 300. Okay, thank you. Efe?
1000. Teacher, can I?
Efe, I said.
Yes, teacher. Hello.
And I,
Hello. Yes, Efe, can you explain this one? Nearest 10?
Nearest 10. In which one? Because my computer is a bit slow. I cannot see.
Last one, 1436.
Okay.
1400.
The nearest 10 is 40.
1440 it will be.
Yes.
Nearest 100?
Nearest 100. 1400.
400 and nearest 1000?
1,000.
1000.
1,000.
Okay.
1,000. Teacher, I did it wrong. But not seeing there, just like with my mouth.
Are we clear?
Yes.
We are finishing the lesson here.
Yes. Teacher, was like 2 minutes.
Yes,
The lesson that I don't like is too slow. The lesson that I like is too fast. I don't know why.
yeah.
Teacher, thank you that you liked the lesson. Yes, who is talking?
I'm Hairullah.
Hi,
Can you tell
Daima.
me